If you have been watching my videos for a very long time, you know that I have a hard time with pronunciation. So, for the purposes of this video, I'm going to call the animal water bears, but I am going to use the official name in the video itself. Today, we are going to be looking at water bears. Thanks to Chelsea B, one of my subscribers. Hi, I'm Nature Guy X46, and this is the Natureverse 4.7. And today we're going to be looking into a group of animals that you may or may not have heard about before. A group of animals that are in the phylum Tardigrades. I will post it in the video. For now, let's take a break in the action. Time for a quick pause in the action. Just a quick reminder for you to subscribe if you haven't. Click the like button, leave me a comment, and share the video with someone in your family or your friend group. And now, back to your regular video. We are talking about water bears today, and there are 1,100 species of these microscopic critters. They are less than 1 millimeter in size or less, and they live in a multitude of microhabitats from damp moss, sand, fresh water, or in the sea, as well as other places. They have a defined head and 4 fused body segments. These animals feed on both plants and animals, and possibly they feed on one another. These animals can withstand extreme cold and extreme dryness and come out perfectly okay. They can survive years in this dried out state. These animals have 8 legs, and each leg has between 4 to 8 claws on them. They were discovered in the year 1773 by a German zoologist. Some of these animals live for 3 months, others can go 2 to 5 years. But in a state of suspended animation, they can last for up to a century. The good news is that they aren't dangerous to us. Just to show you how tough these critters are, they can be found at heights of 19,600 feet above sea level in the Himalayas. And with that, I will see you in the next one.